guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda, and today guys I have an Ikea haul for you. So over the Easter bank holiday, myself, my husband and my son Oakley ventured into Ikea. We went to the Ikea store in Greenwich. I've actually got a come shop with me video that came out, which was my previous video. So this video today is a follow-up from that come shop with me video. And yeah, we picked up some really useful items, because you know you can go into Ikea and really overdo it. So we was really looking for some storage items for my son's room. His room is lacking a little bit of storage, so I needed some like storage boxes to fit under his bed to put like, you know, little bits and bobs in. I also picked up some general everyday kind of items. I absolutely love the candles in Ikea, so I've got a couple of those as well, and some other bits and bobs to show you. Okay, so if you'd like to see what I picked up in Ikea, please keep watching. So the first items that I picked up were these gorgeous vanilla candles. These smell so lovely. I mean, Ikea's vanilla candles are out of this world. I mean, I absolutely love vanilla candles anyway, but the Ikea ones, they just got this lovely natural creamy kind of scent of vanilla. I absolutely love them. So I picked up this vanilla candle. It's under the name Gemlick, and these came in at £1. I actually picked up 2 of them. Okay, so to go with those, Ikea are now doing the cork lids for these candles, which are really good, because after you've used the candles, you can actually use the jars, repurpose the jars, and you've got like a nice little storage jar with the cork lid on it. So these are sold separately. I think this was like £1 for the, or £1 or 50p for the cork lid. Okay, so I picked up 2 of those. So I also picked up some tea light candles, again in the vanilla scent. I absolutely love tea light candle in the bathroom, especially like when I'm just having a nice relaxing pampering bath. I put like tea light candles around the bath in a nice jar. Okay, so these came in at £2.25. You get 30 candles. These ones burn up to 3.5 hours, which is absolutely amazing. And guys, they smell incredible. I absolutely love these. So to go with the tea light candles, I picked up these, which are tea light holders. So these came in at 50p each, which is just absolutely amazing, because they're just so lovely. I mean, that lovely clear ribbed glass is just so stunning. So yeah, so I've got those to go with those, to go with the tea light candles. Okay, so I also picked up 2 of these glass mugs. Now I've actually got the larger version to these in my kitchen at the minute, but sometimes you just want to have a small tea or a small coffee. So I've picked up these smaller ones. Now these came in at £1.50. The larger ones in Ikea are £2. So yeah, they do a larger size, which I have already. But sometimes it's just nice to have a smaller cup of tea. You know, in the afternoons, if I fancy a tea or a coffee. I don't really drink that much tea and coffee, but sometimes in the afternoon you just fancy a little, you know, a little something, you know, a little boost. So I would have a small coffee in one of these. Okay, so these are £1.50, and again they're clear glass, really lovely. Love those from Ikea. I also picked up this plastic bowl. It's a bit random, but it's just a plastic bowl. Now the reason why I picked this up, this is just to use for when I'm like beating up the eggs, if I'm doing the omelette, if I'm doing scrambled eggs, you know what I mean? So just to have it separate just for that, because I'm really funny with my eggs and the scent of the eggs. I really don't like the scent of eggs, you know, but I like to eat them, you know, so I just like to have a separate container for when I'm doing my whisking of the eggs and all of that. So yeah, I picked that up, and that was £1. Okay. So just randomly, we did actually pick up a bag of meatballs. They're down in the freezer, okay? I'm not going to get them out to show you, but you know, in Ikea, when you go to the restaurant, you can get meatballs and mashed potato. You can get like a nice meal. So Ikea also do the meatballs, which I have downstairs. I will show them to you later on in the video. But their meatballs are absolutely delicious. So whatever they sell in the restaurant, like food wise, you can actually pick it up in their little marketplace downstairs, where you can buy all the food and all of that. So you can get the hot dogs, you can get the meatballs, the mashed potato, the gravy and all of that. So I will show you those items in a second, okay? But I've just put my hand on this. So they also sell the mustard that you get with the hot dogs, you know. We don't buy any other mustard. We absolutely love this one, especially for the hot dogs. So yeah, we got that as well. Okay, they also do the ketchup, and they also do a brown sauce as well. So I'm just going to show you a few snacks. So I picked up these biscuits. These are for my son Oakley. He absolutely loves these, so I got these for him. So these came in at £1.50. Okay, and you get 175 grams of these alphabet biscuits. I also picked up these, which are my favourites. These are the ginger thin biscuits with almond. These taste absolutely delicious with a coffee, with a tea, or just on their own. And I actually like them in the vanilla ice cream. So I'll buy a lovely, like good quality vanilla ice cream and just like crunch a few biscuits on top of this. It's really, really lovely. Okay, so yeah, these are your ginger thins with almond, and you get 170 grams, and these are £1.60. Okay, just checking my receipt there. So I also picked up these. Now this is part of our storage that I picked up. I absolutely love Ikea's freezer bags, their fridge bags. These are absolutely brilliant, even to use like just for storing things around in your home. You know, so these are the Ikea storage bags, or the Ikea fridge and freezer bags. They're really robust, these are. They're really good quality. The ones that I got here, I got the larger size ones. So I got like the 6 litre one, and I've also got the 4.5 litre ones as well. It's actually a double pack. So you actually get 2 sizes in one box. So you guys know that I absolutely love the colour green. These food bags, I actually like lime green colour. Really lovely colours for the summer. Okay, and you've got this larger one, which is this colour, which I just absolutely love as well. I mean, I didn't buy them for the colour. I bought them for the purpose for what they are for the food, for them for storing food and so on. But I'm just showing you that I do absolutely love the colour as well. Okay, so these came in at £3. You get 15 of each size, which is very good for that price. And the good thing about these, they're actually washable, they're reusable, they are so robust, they last so long as well. Yeah, so I've got those, £3 for those, okay. So I also picked up 2 new toilet roll holders. This is in matte black, and it's something that I've been looking for in Ikea for ages, and they've always been out of stock. Okay, so I'm so happy to find them in Ikea this time round. I'm just going to open the box up and show you what this looks like. You know, the boxes are always quite hard to open, so just bear with me, guys. Maybe I should have done this beforehand. Oh, it's really, really hard to open. Anyways, yeah, I've got it out. So it's just a really simple matte black toilet roll holder, because I'm looking to change all my accessories in the bathroom and in the cloakroom into black accessories. Now I recently, well last year, was it year before, I revamped my downstairs cloakroom, and I did say that I was actually going to get a black toilet roll holder. I did get one, but I don't even know where that is, guys. So I managed to pick up these 2 which match. So this is going to go in my downstairs cloakroom, and that's going to go in the bathroom. So I also picked up this little dustpan and brush. It's like a mini one, and the reason why I've got this is like to use it on our kitchen worktop and to use it on our dining table. It's not going to be used on the floor, it's just going to be for like surfaces, because you know, like when you have breakfast, sometimes the cornflakes goes all over the table, you know, or muesli goes over the table, and you like you know, breadcrumbs and all of that kind of thing. I can just literally take this and just brush it up and throw it in the bin. You know, I don't have to put on the handheld hoover, don't have to like get a cloth and wipe it all down. You know, just a quick thing, you know, brush up and throw it away. So I thought this would be a kind of like a game changer, and it's quite small as well, so easy to store away as well. And this came in at £1.75. I got it in this grey colour. I think they had it in another colour as well. They might have had it in yellow. Yeah, they might have had it in yellow. So yeah, I just picked up the grey, like this muted grey colour. Okay, so I've got that as well. I also picked up one of these. Now my son Oakley, every time we go to Ikea, he sees this, like they always have these on display around the store, you know, like in the living room area, in the bedroom area, and he always wants to get one of these. So we picked one up for him, you know. It's just this wooden figurine, or a wooden figure. You know, the arms, all the joints move, the legs move, the head moves, you know. Yeah, I mean, he absolutely loves it. So I don't know, really. He's going to have it in his room, I think, just standing up on the side. I'm not even sure about it. But yeah, we got it for him. I think he's even forgotten that we got it. So I don't even know if we're going to keep this, to be fair with you. You know, like when you go shopping with the kids, they always see things that you don't see, you know. And he was like, oh, Mummy, I want that. Daddy, I want that. So we just put it in the trolley. But I thought we actually put it back on the shelf. But yeah, I've got it anyway. I decide whether we're going to keep it or not. But yeah, it's £8 for that one. Okay, something a bit random. So I also picked up these. Now these are in the bargain basement. Like the Greenwich store have some amazing items in their bargain basement. You know, they have like the odd shelves, they have the odd cupboard doors, like all the doors for the biddy shelves and all that kind of stuff. You can find some random things in there at affordable prices. Okay, so these are like hanging storage baskets. They can be used indoors or outdoors. Now we've actually got these to use outdoors in our garden. We're going to put them along the fence, you know, along the fence posts, and just have some trailing plants, you know, trailing out of them. So these are normally £2 and they got reduced down to £1 in the bargain basement. So we picked up 4 of them. Okay, and they're like they're not metal or anything. They're like really like hard plastic. So yeah, picked up those as well. So talking about the meatballs, guys, I managed to go downstairs and get the meatballs to show you. So these are the meatballs, guys, that you can get in Ikea. You get 1 kilograms of meatballs, and these came in at just check my receipt there. These came in at £6.95. Now they make a really nice quick meal. You can put them in the oven, you can put them in the microwave. I think you can put them in the air fryer as well. Yeah, so £6.95 for this whole big bag of meatballs. So I've got to make sure I put those back down into the freezer. Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you the storage items that we managed to find in Ikea. So I also went in there to get some of these large storage bags. Now these are absolutely brilliant. In fact, all of this shopping that I'm showing you today, plus some other bits that I'm going to show you, fitted in one of these bags. These bags are absolutely brilliant, okay, for storage, of course. Now the reason why I've got these is to sort out our loft. Okay, so I've been in the process of sorting out my loft on and off for a whole, I don't even know how long, you know. But it's come to a point where I'm nearly there. I've nearly finished it all now. All I want to do now is organise like clothes and put them into different bags. So like my clothes, Oakley's clothes, hubby's clothes, and like even homeware, you know, things that I've got up there that I need to get rid of. I just want to separate them, put them in these bags so I know where to find them. If I'm selling anything on Vinted or Spock or Marketplace, I know where to find them, you know. So I'm going to like store everything away up in the loft in these bags and like make it all nice and organized. So if I do tend to sell anything, I know where to find it as well. So I've got 3 of these large bags. They're absolutely brilliant for all purposes. It's also good to have one of these in your car when you do go shopping. You know, if you're anything like me, when we go to the bargain shops, we tend to pick up more than we bargained for. So yeah, you can just have one of these in the car and just put all your shopping in there as well. And the handles are really quite strong as well. Okay, so yeah, it's a storage bag. It can be used for anything really, you know. So I picked up 3 of these, and these are £3 each in Ikea. So next up, I'm going to show you the storage items that I picked up for my son Oakley's room. So I got these containers. Now Ikea do a solution for these, like a shelving unit that these fit into, but we didn't get the whole shelving unit. I just wanted these because these boxes here fit perfectly underneath our TV stand in our living room. Okay, so when Oakley's downstairs playing with the Lego, I can just put all the Lego in there and just put it underneath our TV stand out of sight, you know. So I think these were either £2 or £3 for this size. So I picked up 3 of these. Now the only thing with these, I didn't see any lids with them. Now I would have much preferred to get something with a lid so the items inside don't get dusty. Because you know Lego can get really dusty because it's plastic. Like the static with all of them like mixed together, they collect a lot of dust. So every now and again I empty out the whole of Oakley's Lego box and, you know, just empty the whole box and then replace them back into the container, like just to get rid of all the dust, you know. So yeah, I would have much preferred if these had a lid on them, but you know, they're okay because they do fit under our TV stand. So yeah, I picked up 3 of those. So I also picked up 3 in this size as well. And now these ones are going to be going underneath his bed. But again, now that I'm looking at them, I really wished I picked up something that had a lid, because again, you know, without a lid, things are going to get dusty inside, you know. These came in at £4. I think these were £4 each for these ones, or £3 each. I can't actually remember, and I can't find the receipts for these bits actually. I wonder if I can just quickly go online and check and see how much those are. Yeah, so it looks like these are £4 each, which is quite a lot really. I mean, they are a good size, but I think £4 each without a lid, I think I could maybe have got something elsewhere with a lid for cheaper, you know. But these will do for now, you know, these will do for now. So yeah, I picked up those. And I think, guys, that is really my last item. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know which was your favorite item. I know that it's like a little bit random. I really just picked up things that I need, and most of my hauls going forward are going to be like that, showing you things that I actually enjoy buying, and things that I'm actually going to keep and not carry it back to the store. Actually saying that, I do like to show you, I do get excited about new things that I've seen in the store. I really can't pick up all of it to show you, you know, as much as I want to. So what I will do, I'm going to start creating more reels and putting items up on my stories, you know, regularly. I do have an Instagram account, Amanda Oak Ince, and I also have my home account, which I haven't really done much with, but with all this homeware and so on, I'm going to start adding them to my home account as well. Okay, so that my home account on Instagram is Amanda Oak Ince Home. So go ahead, guys, and follow me on both of those. And if you're new to the channel, my YouTube channel, I'd love for you to stick around and consider subscribing. My name's Amanda, as I said. I post weekly videos, normally on a Tuesday, a Thursday, and a Sunday. You'll get a vlog from myself, a video from myself, you know, lots of lifestyle content. It's actually half term at the minute. We're coming to the end of half term, so you know, I'm at home with my little one. We've been doing so much outdoors and so on. I've not always been able to pick up the camera to film all of that, but I'd just like to say thank you for all of you that show me so much love on my vlog, my IKEA Come Shopping With Us, like me, my husband and Oakley at IKEA on the bank holiday Monday. On that video, I really wanted to film more, but IKEA Greenwich, the area Greenwich, was absolutely heaving on bank holiday Monday. It wasn't the best time to go, but we thought, let's just go, you know what I mean? So thank you for those of you that watched that video, my Come Shop With Me at IKEA, you know, and spending the day with us at IKEA. You know, I really want to do more of those kind of videos where I'm out and about, you know. Now we're finally in spring and we're getting all this lovely weather. I really want to bring you some outdoor content, okay guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, like I said, if you're new, do consider subscribing. I'd love to have you on board and love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And for those of you that have recently subscribed, thank you so much for jumping on board and joining the family. It's great to have you here, guys, okay? And for those of you that have been here since day dot, you know I love you. You know I love all of you. If you have any suggestion, guys, for videos, vlogs that you'd like me to film, do leave them in the comments below. If you've been to IKEA recently and you've picked up some interesting items, do let me know. I love to hear your stories, love to read your comments, so do comment down below also on this video or what was your favorite item. Okay guys, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you taking the time out to watch my videos. It's absolutely amazing having you on board, okay? And thanks for all your support. So guys, take care, keep well, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Bye.